Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lumsopho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Shisngi hadian baka seng-seng partai Bharatiya Janata Party kalakam bakalalam baka don ke jersey bamsap ke Bashir Khaibha Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council bat Hajaintia Hills Autonomous District Council nakaliang u State President jangka Nationalist Congress Party u saleng sang mau lakentu ya ke BJP bakam day tang bancu kentho da ke basyukran tang sikila partai kubur hendai kala day ban mi syahmat ban mudoi daka public interest litigation ha yeng bishar la daka lap shisaya nuino bagi dan keti ban penan kampakla ya ka pisau pai ba ha kini ki atli ki autonomous district council ha ka jing keren baka pati CTV usaleng sang mau la ongru baka jing dawa juga BJP ban toket daka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI kam dan jing mut namar bakan cu pencelan ka ya kapor hendai ka babiang tam kadai tang daka balai tiet ya ka jing hang jong ka yeng bishar.
To be frank enough, I have seen lots of RTI activities, corruption against anybody. But it seems like after getting all the corruption, open, it seems like they're just keeping quiet. I don't know why. Maybe they're getting something also, these RTI activities and all. They should be, I request all the RTI activists, if they found anybody guilty about any scheme program, they should file an PIL, not just back out.